Hello everybody, SAPs Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing problem. When you come to the Facebook, you can see the Facebook Friend options bar is missing. So if you want to fix them, just go to the um, menu options and then just scroll down and click to the setting and privacy options, and then click to the setting options, and then click to the profile setting options and scroll down, and you can see in the last portion that is shortcuts bar, so click on that, and then you can see hidden shortcuts in the last portion is friend request, so click to the hidden options and then click to the pin options. After that your options will be come here, so if it's not come, just mm, got out from the app and then open the apps, and you can see the friends options is showing there. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.